Hello and welcome to Paper Plays Julie K.
Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out my latest video. And today I have a Winter Wonderland themed tag to share with you guys. And I created this tag for a swap that I'm in a Facebook group. And I just wanted to share it with you guys before I mailed it off. I really love how it turned out. Up at the top I have a seam binding bow along with some ribbons hanging off the top. And then if you look at the actual tag, I did start off with a chipboard layer, and then I layered a couple pieces of scrapbooking paper on top of it. I do have some die cuts in the background of some snowflakes. They're just really subtle. And then on top of that, I did all of my layering. So at the bottom you can see I have 2 layers of trim. I have some fringe trim, and then this gorgeous trim right here with the pearls on it. In the corner, I layered some flowers that I did add some glitter to them. And then I went over it after I applied the glitter. I did go over it again with glossy accents because I was hoping to try to keep the glitter from rubbing off. And it seems to be somewhat working. And then I have some little stamens that I use just as a decorative element. And then above the flower, you can see in the background, I do have some bling sprays, swirls up there. And then I added some snowflakes, and the little snowflakes I got from Hobby Lobby. And then you can also see I added this word Wonderland, which is a die cut, and I did layer this up several times just to make it a little bit more sturdy. I also added this flat back bling to it. And then over here in the corner, I added this little deer. And I picked this up at Hobby Lobby also at Christmas time. I just thought he'd be really cute on a tag or a card. And then again, just some more little snowflakes that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And then the back side I left pretty plain, just with some pretty paper that I inked the edges. And then added my little name so that the person will always remember who created it. And then I'll just show you the die cuts that I used in case anyone is wondering, and also the paper collection. So my main tag I cut out using dies from Diamond Dies. It's a tag set. I don't have the packaging for this anymore. The word Wonderland, I use this die right here. And it's from Diversions. And it's just called Wonderland, and the number is DVE-042. And again, that's what that one looks like. Again, in the background, I used some snowflake dies. One of the dies that I used was this one, and it's called Snowflake Arch. And that one is, these are memory box dies. Yeah, memory box. And again, that's what that one looks like. And this one, again, was just called Snowflake Arch. And the number of that one is 99021. I also use this die in the background. You can see it maybe right here. Again, it's just very subtle because I use that kind of as my starting point for my tag before I knew what I was going to do. I just laid down some cutting dies. This one is called the Hanover Snowflake. Again, that's what that one looks like. And the number for that one is 99179. And again, that's a memory box die. And then there's also one more snowflake die that you can't really see yet. Or 2 more. There's one up here and then one right here. But they pretty much got covered up when I put the word Wonderland down. But I'll still show those to you guys. These ones were called Silverdale Snowflake Duet. And that's what they look like. And the number on that one was 99187. And then the paper collection that I used is from Kaiser Craft. And this one is called Silver Bells. This is one of my favorite paper collections. And if I could get my hands on it, I'd probably buy another one of these. This one was out quite a while ago, but it's nice shabby pink and kind of blue and teal colors on this one. And then if you look at the cover, I did use this paper right here, and then also this one. And for when I cut out my little snowflakes here, I use some pearlescent white cardstock for the snowflakes. And I don't know what brand that is. It's just pearlescent paper. Thanks again for watching my quick project share today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I do love reading your guys' comments, and hopefully I'll have a few more videos up for you guys later this month. I am working on some paper bag tutorials. I have a composition notebook that I'm creating for someone that wanted me to create her a composition notebook. She commissioned me to do that, and also a Valentine's Day box. I am also working on my paper pad collab, the 6x6 or the small paper pad collab, so I will have that video out for you guys this month. And I'm also working on an altered muffin tin for a swap, so I'll have that to share with you guys coming up here. So lots of projects in the hopper. I just haven't finished any of them yet, but they're all in the works. So hopefully I'll have some more videos for you guys coming up. And until next time, have a wonderful day and happy crafting.